To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Next, open the chat conversation where you want to change the background theme. Now, tap the user's profile picture or name at the top to open the menu. Then navigate to the theme option. Here, you will see the new theme, TRON, Aries. If you don't see this theme, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it to apply. You'll see a preview of how the theme will look. Tap Select to apply it. And the new theme is now applied on this specific chat. When you select a new theme, its background will appear in your chat, and the colors of all icons and chat bubbles will update accordingly. It's recommended to activate it promptly to enjoy the theme while it's available. And that's how you can activate the new TRON, Aries theme on Facebook Messenger.